One short video, just a few seconds long, but it triggered questions across the internet. A recent press conference video of Benjamin Netanyahu quickly went viral after viewers noticed something unusual in one frame. At first, it looked like a normal official appearance. But when people zoomed in on his hand, many claimed they could see 6 fingers. That single frame immediately spread across social media. Users on TikTok, X and YouTube reposted the clip, slowed it down, and highlighted the hand frame again and again. Some people claimed the video was AI generated. Others even started asking whether the appearance itself was digitally created. As the video spread, online debate became intense. Some viewers believed the extra finger proved artificial intelligence errors, because AI-generated videos often create mistakes in hands and fingers. But after frame-by-frame review, several analysts explained that this may be caused by camera angle, hand movement, lighting, and skin overlap. In motion, the hand appears normal in most frames, while only one angle creates the illusion of an extra finger. Then the rumour became even bigger. Some accounts began spreading false claims that Netanyahu had died and that public appearances were being replaced with AI-generated clips. Those rumours quickly reached international audiences, forcing official sources to respond. Israeli officials publicly denied the death claims and stated that Netanyahu was alive and continuing official duties. This incident also shows how fast AI suspicion spreads online today. A single strange frame can make millions question whether a video is real. Hands, eyes, and facial movement have become the first things people inspect when trying to detect AI. But experts warn that not every strange frame means fake video. Sometimes a single camera angle, compression error, or motion blur can create a misleading image. That is why full footage matters more than screenshots. One frozen frame can create a global rumour, while the full video often tells a completely different story. And in this case, one hand frame was enough to start an international debate.